Hello, hope you're doing good. In this video, I will be showing you how to make a website for veterinarian business. The website builder that we'll be using is Wix. And the reason why I recommend Wix is because it is highly rated as it has been used by thousands if not millions of persons to create their business website. You can also get started for completely free. You don't need a credit card or anything like that to sign up. So you're going to go onto wix.com. Then from there, you're going to tap on Get Started. After you have done that, you'll be redirected to the sign up page. And you can sign up using your email address, Google account, or Facebook account. Once you have signed up, you will be redirected to a dashboard just like this. And you're going to tap on Create New in the top right hand corner. After selecting Create New, I want you to tap on Build on the Wix editor. Then once you have done that, you're going to tap on Set Up Without Chat. And then from here, you can tap on the search bar and you could type in vet right here. So you can see it right there and you can see the different options. So you have veterinarian clinic, vet science camp, you have veterans helpline, which would not be related to this. And you can see the different options right there. So for example sake, I'm just going to type out veterinarian so we can see it right there. And we'll select that option and tap on continue. After selecting continue, you will be redirected to your dashboard. On your dashboard, you'll be able to add in your business name. So we'll add it in right here. So I'm just going to add in vet for example sake. Then we'll tap on continue. And from here, you could add in your business opening and closing hours. So let's say, for example, we'll open shop at 9 a.m. and we're going to be closing at 4 p.m. And we'll open from Monday to Friday. Then tap on continue. And from here, you can see some sample services that you could add. So you could add any one of these services that would be related to what you would like to offer. So for example, let's say in-home consultation. And you could tap on create new service and you could add more services right here. Then tap on save. After you have done that, you're going to tap on continue. Then you can add in staff member's name and email address if you want. After doing that, you're going to tap on continue once more. If you would like to accept payments online, you can select it. If you would like to accept payments in person, you can select that. Then select continue and tap on continue once more. From here, you'll be able to set up your booking calendar and you'll also be able to set up how you'll get paid. All you'll need to do is go over to the left hand menu option, hover over catalog, then select booking services. After doing that, the sample service that I've added earlier, I'll tap on edit. And from here, I could change the cover image if I want. So I could tap on the current image and I could change the cover image if I want. I can also change the name of the service and I could add in a description right here. And by scrolling down, you can change the duration also. So I could change it to, for example, 45 minutes. And you could change the price if you want, as you can see there. And you can change the pricing type. And you can also schedule it if, for example, you have more than one staff members. You could assign this task to a particular staff member. Then you will tap on save in the top right hand corner. Once the changes have been saved, you will tap on getting paid in the top left hand corner. Then you will tap on connect payment method. And from here, you'll be able to set up different payment options. So for example, if you're located in the Caribbean like myself, you will see these payment options. But if we were to change our location, so let's say I were to change it to the United States, you'll realize that we're now presented with a different set of payment options. So it all depends on the country that you're located in. And keep in mind to add any payment option otherwise from PayPal, you will need to be on the Wix paid plan. But their paid plan is quite affordable compared to others and I would definitely recommend it. After you're finished setting up the payment options, if we were to tap on booking calendar from the left hand menu option, this is where you'll be able to see your schedule and when someone has booked your service. And to continue setting up your website, you'll tap on set up in the top left hand corner. Then you're going to tap on Design Site in the top right hand corner. Once on this page, I want you to tap on Pick a Template. And you can see there are numerous templates that you can choose from, and you can scroll down until you have seen a template of your liking. Now let's say for example's sake I would like to use this one. I'll tap on Edit. Then from here you'll close the pop-up. After you have closed the pop-up, you'll tap on the plus 50% in the top right hand corner, and you can scroll down and you can continue editing. So for example, I could change the text in the header section by selecting the text, tapping on Edit Text, and it is as easy as that to edit each section. So all you have to do is simply select the section and tap on Quick Edit, and you can make your changes. And you can scroll down. If I would like to edit this section also, I could tap on Quick Edit in the top left hand corner. Then from there you can change the text and you can change the image. And you can also edit the About Me section by selecting it. You can edit the paragraph text right there, and you can edit the services page right there. So we'll see the different services that we have added. So you can see, remember I only added one service, so you could see it right there. And you can see right here they have a gallery of the different photos of animals that he has taken care of in the past. And to view all the pages on your website, you will tap on Home in the top left hand corner. From here you can view blog, services. You can see all of the different pages, and you can edit the different pages to your liking. And if it is a case that you would like to delete or remove a page, all you'll need to do is tap on the third icon from the top left hand corner, which is Pages and Menu, and then from there you will be able to remove a page if you want. So for example's sake, let's say we would like to remove a page. So you can see the members area right here where persons will be able to sign up or subscribe. If you would like to remove a section, you can tap on the three dots, then you'll tap on Delete, and then tap on Delete once more, and it will remove it, as you can see right there. That's how easy it is. And if you would like to add something that you don't see on the website, you will tap on the plus in the top left hand corner, which is Add Elements. From here you will see all the different elements that you can add, as you can see right there. So you can scroll down and you can see all the different elements, and you can just drag and place them wherever you want on your website. Once you're finished, you'll tap on Preview in the top right hand corner to preview how your website looks. And once it is to your liking, you'll tap on Publish in the top right hand corner. If we were to go onto Services and select the sample service that we have added, then persons will be able to book it by simply selecting the date, then selecting the time. Then from there they could tap on Next, and they'll be prompted to enter their information and also set up payment if you had created that. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you have any questions that you would like to ask, let me know in the comment section.